Hello guys, welcome back with Wealthy Panda. Today I'll be reviewing with you a platform called Biswap. Now, Biswap is decentralized money exchange where you can come here and change your cryptocurrency from one type to another. Now, Biswap is one of the leading websites in the Binance Smart Chain, and the reason for this is their low fees. Unlike most of the other crypto exchange, they're only charging 0.1 commission. This is unlike PancakeSwap and everybody else who charging you 0.3. They also give you reimbursement of money exchange up to 90%. So technically, you might be only paying around 0.01 when you exchange your cryptocurrency on Biswap. Now, this website became my favorite. Literally, every time I want to exchange cryptocurrency, before I go anywhere, I always come to Biswap and see if I can actually change my cryptocurrency here. Now, just to give you an idea how big this website is, they have done over $30 billion in a crypto exchange. And they have already, right now, as of the time I'm making this video, over $500 million being stacked on their website. Now, this company became too big that even Binance Lab have went ahead and done an investment with Biswap. So they are big enough that even big companies are interested to partner with them. Now, there's a lot of stuff you can do in Biswap. You will never get bored. You can go ahead and click on the exchange. I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that happen if you decided to go here. Now, you can see I actually earned some money. So I have done some money exchange. I can go ahead and withdraw my money. Honestly, I don't have much BSW, so I'm not going to go ahead and withdraw it. They have something called Rubyboost. This is actually, if you have one of their NFT, you can actually even get more money to help you increase your earning in Biswap. I'm going to show you that in a second. Now, the money exchange is pretty much straightforward, and you can actually go ahead and add liquidity if you are interested. Now, liquidity, just find any two cryptocurrency you want Biswap to go ahead and put them in here. Now, I'm going to be honest, I don't know how profitable this would be because they are not putting you percentage. It's a lot like sushi, but the thing is, sushi charging much more fees, so maybe you can actually make more money on sushi. I would try to compare this website head to head by putting the same amount of money of two cryptocurrency and review that for you guys in a future video. Now, you have here as well as the farms. So the farm, just pick two cryptocurrency, stack them here, and they will give you a percentage. Now, I'm going to be honest, it's very interesting what you can find in Biswap. I'm not really interested in each and every one of these. Some of them are not really worth it. Like BNB and BSW, it's 99% return. Actually, it's considered pretty decent. But if I'm going to use one of the cryptocurrencies that's not really stable, like Mu or Autumn or this cryptocurrency, the percentage is not huge. Now, we can see here, for example, Cigar. I'm not really familiar with the cryptocurrency, but you can make as much as 6,000 return. I probably will try this if actually that percentage hold on. So they have some stuff that's worth looking at. But what I like the most is actually the stable coins. If you have two USDT, for example, and USDC, you can actually go ahead and stack them here and get 9%. So you can get a really good commission on your own cryptocurrency. Let me show you some of these cryptocurrency I'm highlighting. Axie. So if you have Axie and BNB, you can stack them here and get 53 or around 54% annually return. Axie is a good coin, BNB is a good coin, I will stick with it. Shiba Inu, if you have Shiba Inu, you can stack it here and 25% with BNB. So they got some of the cryptocurrencies that are actually promising. FTM, I will probably actually go ahead and do this, around 50%. I have FTM in my wallet, I have BNB in my wallet. They are not making me any money. If I stack them here, I can make some cash. So 50% every year, that's, wow, pretty promising. And as you go forward, you will even find Bitcoin. So if you have any two cryptocurrencies that's sitting in your wallet doing nothing, this may not be a bad place to look. Again, they are not necessarily always providing the highest return. You can find other websites that does, but they have really good ROI for a lot of these cryptocurrencies. So again, when it comes to BUSD, a lot of the stable coins, they have a really good return on them. Now, I haven't really used the farms much, but I have been doing the stake BSW. Again, because of the Biswap is big and promising, I have actually been start buying their own cryptocurrency, and I'm planning to go ahead and buy more. Right now, they're only giving you 70% return if you go ahead and buy the BSW and put it on the auto compound. Again, 70% is actually pretty decent. It's not the best. I can do better, 80% probably on PancakeSwap or whatever. But their cryptocurrency as of the time I'm making this video is only 60 cents. And I'm going to be honest, consider everything Biswap have done, I believe that cryptocurrency will grow over time. They used to be around $1.5 or $2 at some point before, Bitcoin get a huge hit. So it's probably will grow over time. Again, they have partnership with Binance.com. They have actually released the NFT game, which is called Squid Game, which I have reviewed in my previous video. That game brought to you by Biswap as well. So you can see they have a lot of weight behind them, and you can see they are putting also a warning here: be aware of fake website, because literally if you make a small mistake in the URL, they will go ahead and you will find yourself in a scam website that looks exactly the same. And FYI, we will put the link to this website on the description. Now, if I go ahead and click on IDO, this is whenever they have a cryptocurrency that will be launching on their website, you can find it here. You can stake your money and get portion of that cryptocurrency. They don't have anything as of the time I'm making this video, but again, you can probably find really good cryptocurrency launching here. So if you are looking for the next big thing, you may want to pay attention to this. Now, if I click on Gamify, it will take you to the Squid NFT game. I'm not going to go there because I have already reviewed it, and you guys can find this video on both the information card as well as the description. So check it out. It's really promising game. Now, they also have the NFT Launchpad. Unfortunately, this one NFT can buy from the Biswap, and you can stake it here for a really good return. Unfortunately, they had a very limited number and they are sold out. But the good news is you have here something called Biswap Marketplace. If you click on it, you can actually go ahead and buy it. So you can come down here and click show me the Biswap or Ruby earn. So they have them here. You can actually go ahead and buy one of these, and you will be able to literally earn money by staking it on Biswap. I'm going to show you that in a second. So if you click on NFT earn, NFT staking, here you can actually see the return is 323. Actually, it's pretty decent if I go ahead and stake my NFT and get this much return on yearly basis. Now, again, they have NFT Boost in order to help you go ahead and maximize your earning and so on. They have their own referral program as well. The referral program allows you to earn pretty much some money if you go ahead and refer friends. So again, we are using our affiliate link in the description. Thank you for using it if you go ahead and use it. And you can actually use it, share it with your friends, and earn as well. Now, let's go to the next. Lottery. Again, Biswap is trying to be, I guess, more of a universe for people to sit in here and just continue using the website. And again, pretty much every decentralized money exchange wants you to do that. The more you hang around, the more likely you will exchange your money there. So they have a lottery. I haven't really tried to use a lottery. For me, this is pretty much gambling, so I'm not risking it. But you have a good chance to earn if you decided to play. I mean, if you are a big fan of playing the lottery, hey, you are here. And your chances is definitely better than, buying the real lottery. Now, I'm not going to go through the lottery section. Now, this is the main stuff that you can find on Biswap overall. Now, one thing I want to highlight, they keep adding a new feature over time. So Biswap is a very promising platform. My recommendation at 60 cents, I would highly recommend buying this cryptocurrency. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. I am personally buying this cryptocurrency. I have a really good face on Biswap itself as a platform. And if Binance.com, which is one of the giant out there, believes this website actually have that potential, who am I to argue with them, right? I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe if you are not already a subscriber. Thank you guys, and stay tuned with Wealthy Panda.